I want to get to Lonzo Ball and De'Aaron Fox, though. They would have faced off in last night's preseason game in Vegas if Lonzo wasn't forced to sit out with an injured ankle. Well, folks weighed in on social media because, of course, they did. Lonzo also missed their summer league game. You remember there was some chatter back and forth during the draft. After House of Hoops said Fox is showing flashes, look who joins in. The aforementioned Boogie Cousins. He says, quote, "Shorty got to stop running from that action," with the eyes emoji on the end. Steven, you agree with Cousins there?
Tell it like it is, Boogie. Tell it like it is. It's smart by the Lakers, though. You don't want De'Aaron to take his confidence so soon. You know, you need your rookie point guard to come out and be confident and have a good season. But, yeah, he's running from that action, no question.
I mean, he does legitimately have an injured ankle.
He's running from that action. He's running.
I just like that Boogie is still like the ombudsman for Sacramento basketball, even after he's gone. Can I just say, wake me up on November 22nd when they play?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens. Can we just go fast forward to that? I'm very excited for both of them. The Fox kid looks awesome.
He's amazing. We had him on the show, and his personality jumps off the screen.
Yeah.
And the court, he's so much fun. He seems to be developing so fast. Are you using your I don't care on this one?
I'm allowed one I don't care per show. Yeah, sure, I don't care. How about that? I don't
There we
care.
go.